Okay, on this one here, I just jumped in. On the one, actually. I'll bring that back over there. What I was looking at is this is a level drawn from the left. It's over here. And I know there's levels up here. There's a few swing highs up here too. So I was looking at those. One thing that happened though was after, had this move up after the open. This is a large Mariposa candle right here. That's all money. There's no wick or shadow at the bottom of this. It's all money. Large blue bar on the inbox histogram. After that candle ended, the buyers could not continue it right here. And then one thing I was also eyeballing was that right there. This is not a fractal, but the highs are riding a little tiny trend line right here, a little angle. So I noticed that too, just by looking at it. So, but after this large Mariposa candle here and this large bar in the inbox histogram, this is all money to go long. It's all buyers. A very strong candle. And then after that, buyers couldn't control it. And on the inbox histogram, after that large blue bar there, the demand disappeared. So that's what I was looking at. My stop or target is down here at the current day's low. This was the overnight low right here. I can move it with no problem. But even here, when you look at this right here, comparing these numbers over here, that's a lot of effort to not be able to break this or this. So that's a lot of effort. So I'm going to check something here. This is yesterday's low. Friday's low is right there. I might make that a target instead. This is Friday's low right here. Problem with trying to get to yesterday's low is we have to get through the current day's low. That's the only problem. So if it starts getting down here with lots of supply, I may move that down. But right here, I was watching more what the candles were doing than volume and volume delta. Oops. But I did notice the levels over here and the numbers. I was paying attention to that. So that's a ton of effort to not be able to get through here. So, and there was a level here. Sometimes I kind of eyeball things. I don't have to be exact. I'll say right here because those multiple swing highs there, and they had held. So I am going to bring my target down to yesterday's high. I marked that on the 5 minute. So right here. Right. I mean yesterday's low, sorry. This is yesterday's high. Yesterday's low. So I am bringing it down to yesterday's low. And there are some swing lows, sorry about that. There are some swing lows down here that I can move it to also. There's one right there. Right there. That could be a target. And this is the prior day low, I believe. Yeah. That's Thursday's low. So I could put it there. This is that level from the left, I think. No, I didn't quite get there. It'd be this fractal right here. That's where it went on the other time frame right there. So sometimes on the larger time frames they don't have the MGN prints. The way the supply is coming in here, I just moved it to that fractal high right there. If supply keeps coming in like this, I'm going to move my target down even more. So, but once again, I was looking at the levels over here to the left, and then I drew a fractal right here. That's one from the left. That's one from the left, and this is one from the left. After this large Marubozu candle, which means Marubozu means it's an open or a close with no wick or shadow. This is all money. This candle's up here is zero weakness. They kind of lose it right here at the very end, but that's a strong candle. And after that, with this huge blue bar for demand, they couldn't do anything with it. Buyers could do nothing with it. That combined with the numbers over here, with this current high, was why I moved it. I'm going to drag this down here really quick to this level here. This is just that swing that's over here. Sorry about that again. Right there. That's all it is from Thursday. But we need to get through. The only bad thing about that is this is the current day's low, and that's the low from Friday. And there'll be good places for support. I'm just trying to give myself an opportunity if the supply keeps coming in, because I can always move it up. So now we probably will get some demand to come in. But one reason why I was looking up here is because after this, I mentioned that after this Marubozu open right here, and this is a strong candle and this large blue bar, I would have expected more blue bars down here in inbox histogram to continue demand and drive price up. We didn't get that. So after a couple of these happened, that showed me weakness up here. And there were all these levels here that were holding as resistance. So once that happened, it was easy to read that to me, so I jumped in. So, okay, we're getting through the current day's low and the prior day's low right there. Now that's a level. Prior day's low is holding a support right now, so if we can close below that, we should be able to get to this swing low, because it is the next one. That's the prior day low. If we can get through that, this is the next swing low. We should be able to get there. Three and a half minutes to go in this candle here. And we do have to watch the prior day low. We do have to watch it to see if it's going to act as support. So we need to close below this orange line right here. We need to close below that level. And on the 3 minute, we're still getting lower lows, lower highs. And the candles are closing below the prior candles close. So, and I'm not going to move this again. If we get down here, I'll be golden. I want to trail that to that fractal high right there. If we get here, I don't care if it goes beyond that. I'll be happy with that. That just means I got my little piece of the pie, and that's cool with me. And what I did is I trailed my trail to this fractal high right here, just because we do not want it to go back above this high. That's why I trailed it there. Actually, with this being such a large candle here, I'm going to trail it the high of that candle. 5 minute, we are getting below yesterday's low, Friday's low, and the current day's low. We need to close below this orange line. I'm going to check and see if there's supply coming in. There is. We just need that supply to continue. So, once again, this Marbozu open told me there was buyers here driving this up. That's the largest blue bar on the inbox histogram. I wonder if it looks climactic on M-Pace. I wonder if that one there looks climactic, a large green bar. The largest green bar, and it disappears. But after this, the buyers could not do anything with it here. They did absolutely nothing with it here. And there we go. I'm okay with that. Yes, there are targets below me, but I don't need them. I got this level here. And I hope that I hope I explained it properly, but I was looking at the candles more than anything, but I was also looking at this blue bar right here on inbox histogram, and then there was no more demand after that blue bar. And then what the candles here were doing is what I was watching. So, like I said, if it gets lower, it doesn't matter to me. So, there is a lot more supply coming in, so it probably will go lower. Thanks.